See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. See you later, alligator.
Hey there guys, it's Paul Archer from DronesGator.com, and today we have in the menu quite a special RC car that I will keep playing with for quite some time. This is a 6-wheel drive brushless monster car that you can find for under $120 if you use the link in the description and the coupon code. If that didn't grab your attention, I don't know what will. This beauty comes well protected in a box. I got mine from GearBest and it arrived safe and sound. Here we have the controller that looks a little cheap to me, and also the charger. An interesting feat that I haven't found on other similar RC car transmitters is that you can push the steering wheel to the other side if you're left-handed. This over here is the trigger to drive back and forth. This is an off switch for the remote. The car has its own separate switch. Here's a switch to change between the different rates. This is so fast that you actually have to give yourself a handicap from time to time. These notches control how sensitive the steering and trigger are. And on the back there is a keyhole that switches from child mode to standard. It comes in the package with a child mode active, which means it will be slower in this mode, suitable for children. The controller uses 4 AA batteries. In the package, besides the car itself, there are also detailed instruction manuals and various parts for replacing and mounting the car. The car comes ready to race, so you don't have to worry about anything. The battery is in the car itself and can be easily connected without having to remove the cover like most other RC cars, which is a big plus with me. The battery is 3000 mAh, 2S and a 30C discharge, which gives it quite a lot of fun time. Just make sure you don't over-discharge the battery because you won't be able to charge it otherwise. When you see that the car is not going full power anymore, stop it and don't push any further. The car itself has a on and off switch right here, easily accessible. And let me tell you, this 6-wheeled frame is a beast. It comes with a very solid frame that I have tested on and on in different types of situations, including tumbles, and it didn't get one scratch. I really like the looks of it, an aggressive off-road design. The wheels are soft, perfect for climbing, and the suspension works great. As you can see, the 4 wheels in the back are connected, but work individually to adjust to the terrain you're going through. A very important distinction I must emphasize between this car and others is the brushless motor. It's rare to see such a cheap brushless car because the more powerful brushless motors tend to cost quite a bit. This 2206 motor is also going to last a lot longer than regular brushed ones. The 6-wheel drive means every single wheel moves independently and will make it way harder for it to get stuck if, let's say, 2 front wheels don't touch the ground. The 7.2 volt battery and the big motor combination give it quite a lot of power, so it's actually a very good racing car too. I must say that it's impossible for me to drive this without a wide smile on my face. I like this car a lot, don't really have any complaints. I like it just as much as my ZD Racing Thunder car, which, by the way, I love it a lot. Look at the sizes of these two, they're total beasts. There should be a link at the top here with my review on this. What I don't like about it is that it doesn't instantly block the wheels when I brake. But don't get me wrong, this 6-wheel beast can do amazing drifts that are even more spectacular if done on rough terrain. This speed demon can go somewhere between 30 to 40 km per hour at its max, and I recommend it to anyone who wants to have the time of their life with it. I really don't have anything more to say about it. It's simply very fun to drive, and you should definitely get this for yourself with no hesitation. Please tell me down below in a comment which one you prefer between the ZD Racing Thunder car and this 6-wheel drive beast over here, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification icon to be the first to find out what's new in the RC world. See ya later, alligator!
See you later, alligator.